What's up guys, I'm back again with another video, and this is my 2012 Range Rover 5-liter supercharged. We are doing with timing chains replacement. So pretty much got everything timed up and ready to go. These are my new chains. See, fucking tight as fuck. And it was a pain in the ass to fucking replace them. See, my timing tools are right there. Timing tools. So replacing a timing chain on these 5-liter Range Rover engines is a big job. But to me, I think it's worth it because you get that 500 horsepower engine. But basically what happened was I was replacing my cooling fan and I backed up the crank counterclockwise and skipped the chain on the fuel pump, and it made the timing chain very loose. So pretty much fucked myself over on that. So basically mechanic death, as I watched the wrong video, as there's like 2 ways of spinning the cooling fan. So yeah, it really sucked. However, on the bright side, that these motors are basically the same motors as the new Range Rovers, such as the 2019 or 2020, which is the one I wanted. So basically this is pretty much prepares me on doing that job on the newer Range Rovers. But you can see here the new timing chains are like pretty much tight as fuck. And these are the new guides. See how, like, oh my god, you're not going anywhere. No slack at all. Yeah, so here, like, no slack at all. As for timing marks, you know, after you get your time marks on these, as for timing marks, after you rotate the engine twice, timing marks do not line up ever again. So it's a good idea to actually, before you rotate the engine, get a white marker, and we'll do your white marks on this one. There's another one right there, if you can see it, right there. Then also the back of a camshaft. You see how I got my white marks on here and there? And same thing on the other side. One mark right there, and then one right there. And then see how I got the white marks on my backside. So as you turn as you turn the motor clockwise, you can line up your camshafts with this mark, and that will give you dead on 6-lock position on the crankshaft timing tool. Right there, wait, I'm a bottom of the engine. Right there. And that saves you a lot of time from going back up and under the car many times. So make sure you guys, put that mark on the back of that camshaft, because it helped me a lot, like saved me a bunch of time. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put everything back together, and you probably take me like at least tomorrow. I should get it running by tomorrow. So for you guys, it would be like that eventually. Hey guys, so I got it back together, but when I first started it, I had codes for bad injectors on cylinder 3 and 7. So after I replace those and all that white smoke coming out, it runs perfectly. So I will make tons of videos about Range Rovers, because a 5-liter supercharged V8 is actually a really good motor. But basically this is the fuel injected right here, and new ones do go bad, as this one was stuck open and was basically dumping in fuel inside the engine, which is really bad because that fuel will get inside your oil, and then if you don't change your oil, it will pretty much eat up your bearings. So after you replace your fuel injectors, make sure you change your oil and then start it. Look at that, no check engine light, let go. Because usually when timing's bad, a check engine light will come in instantly or within like a couple seconds. Woo-wee, look at that. So all you hear is probably the injectors and my fan noise. Probably with the belt, and that's it. Yeah, runs pretty good, man. But just remember, and we're also remember, guys, if you place your fuel injectors, tons of white smoke will come out. Pretty much all that fuel being burnt off by the exhaust or in the combustion chamber. So it might take a while for it to clear out. And look at that. Look at that supercharger. Let's go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or you want me, like any more topics on you want me to cover, let me know. But basically, I'll be doing more in-depth videos on 5.0 supercharged Range Rovers, as for like fuel, timing change, tip and shakes, all that stuff. But in the meantime, I'm gonna work on my AC. I think I got an AC leak on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this garage because I need to start working on this project right there and getting that motor running. So it's gonna be a long day, got lots to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for Range Rover content. And honestly, Range Rovers are not that bad, especially with this motor, as it's worth working and fixing, because it's 500 horsepower, and it's a beast. It looks good.